Well, here we are back at the busted bus. You guys know that we just had a hurricane come through, dropped a limb right on the front of our bus conversion. We're doing we're fixing it. And destroyed the front hood. It's all wrinkled. Well, we're gonna make sure that doesn't happen again because I'm gonna take down the trees that were the issue here. We have 3 trees in a triangle right here. We're in the middle of the triangle, and they all are coming down because right here, not only do we use it for vehicles, but this will be the future home of our garage when we are ready to build that. It's better to get them out of the way now, give the ground time to settle and compact because we are going to remove the roots and everything, the stumps. So this is like beginning prep work for our garage location. The trees have to come down, and if they're causing property damage, might as well do it now. Look how destroyed this is. All the way over the fender, the hood, the headlights, the grill, everything broken from one tree falling. One branch, one limb. This right here, that's the tree I'm starting with. So I'm gonna fire up the excavator. Well, I'm gonna move the bus. I'm gonna fire up the excavator. I'm gonna try a new technique. When we had cut that one down over there, somebody had said, wow, you're doing it the hard way. You should have dug the roots and pushed it over with the excavator, got it up all at once instead of a traditional tree drop. So I'm going to try that today. I'm going to see if it's actually easier to get the roots out if I just push the tree over. So follow me along. We'll see what we can get done. We'll practice. We'll perfect our tree dropping techniques. Battery was a little weak. I should start it more often, but at least it started and it moved. It's a nice bus. So I'm gonna start with this. We'll see what we do. We'll see if it works. that worked. It was a little bit of work, but it's a lot of work to dig up roots. So I think it went easier. If my machine was a little bit heavier, it would make all the difference. I feel like I could have pushed that over so much easier with a slightly larger machine. For being as small as it is, it did good. Now, I don't know what to do. Did I do this right? I believe you dig one side of the tree to weaken the roots so you can push it over. But now the other side is still attached. I don't think you dig both sides, I'm not sure. I guess I'll just start cutting up the tree so I can get the trunk out of the way, and then we'll try to figure out what to do with this giant root ball, which is probably too big for the excavator, but we'll try.
That was scary.
I saw you go running.
I saw the thing coming at me.
Well, that one didn't fall the way I expected it to. The whole thing just broke. It broke. That fat trunk just snapped from me pushing on it. That was a dangerous tree. And it fell apart into sections when it hit the ground. Look at this. Is that poison ivy? Probably not. Look at this. Well guys, I just wanted to show you the result of our work, and here it is. It's a bit of a mess, but we took out 2 trees and 2 stumps. That's 4 stumps. The stumps are the hard part, and they took a long time to really dig up. Now, the first one actually probably was easier. I think that is the right method, is pushing the tree over to help break the stump loose. The second tree, you guys saw it, it was rotted. It didn't go as planned. And the other stumps, I had already cut the trees down, so I had to dig those out, and they were slow and extremely difficult because my excavator, it's strong, but it's lightweight. You can only pull so hard before the excavator pulls, you know, lifts up. So I don't have enough pulling strength. I don't have enough weight behind my machine, but we got it done. We got all this out, and now the ground is all muddy, all disgusting. And we will need fill dirt brought in to fill these holes, and I can barely even smooth this out because there's so much groundwater coming in. It's just turning into slop, and I'll just sink into it. So we're gonna skip that. We're gonna call it quits. We have one more tree to do, but that gets done later. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.